Bellingham versus Gallagher. Who is better? His full name is Jude Victor William Bellingham. His full name is Conor John Gallagher. Age 18, age 21. Height 1.86 meter, 1.82 meter. Nationality England. Current team Borussia Dortmund, Crystal Palace. Jersey nong 23, 22. Playing position center midfielder. Playing style counter attack, pressing play. Market value 55 million, 15 million. In offensive play, Bellingham versus Gallagher. This year, Bellingham start 6 matches and Gallagher start 5 matches. And there, Bellingham has 1 goal, 1 assist. On the other hand, Gallagher has 2 goal, 1 assist. Bellingham's shot per goal is 1.2 and Gallagher's shot per goal 2.2. Bellingham has key pass 1.2 and Gallagher has key pass 1.4. And there in dribbling, Bellingham dribbling 2.2. On the other side, Gallagher dribbling only 0.8. And Bellingham fouled 2.7 and Gallagher fouled 2.4. In offensive role, Bellingham rating is 7.20 and Gallagher rating is 7.36. In defensive role, Bellingham tackles 1.2, Gallagher tackle 2.2. Interception 1.3, interception 0.6, fouls 1.5 and Gallagher fouls 2.2. And in clear, Bellingham has 1.2 and Gallagher 1, blocks 0.3, 0.4. Defensively, Bellingham rating 7.20, Gallagher rating 7.36. In passing, there Bellingham key pass 1.2, Gallagher key pass 1.4. An average pass of Bellingham 41 and Gallagher 29.6. Passing accuracy 84.6 and Gallagher 81.8. And crossing, there Bellingham has 0 crossing and Gallagher has 1.6 crossing. Long ball from Bellingham 1.7 and Gallagher 1.8. And overall rating in passing 7.20 for Bellingham and 7.36 for Gallagher. Overall rating, there we can found that in aerial own, Bellingham 1, Gallagher 1, man of the match, the two are same 1, and rating 7.20 for Bellingham and 7.36 for Gallagher. His strength, work rate, dribbling, assist. Weakness, he has no significant weakness. Jude Bellingham has a great work rate. He can dribbling and his assist ability is very well known in Borussia Dortmund, and actually he has no significant weakness. Strength, vision, dedication, work rate. Weakness, no significant weakness. Conor Gallagher is really a very dedicated player. His work rate is so high and his vision is his another power that make him special. And actually in midfield, he has no significant weakness. By my analysis, I find both of them are doing very well. Give your valuable opinion who is better. Thank you.